Welcome. Continuing on where we left off in the previous video explaining the GetColor function. This one will leverage that GetColor function to add color to a chart. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick reminder about where to find the code. So under the extensions reports, report properties, we got code. In there we can see our function. Now why is this important is that this allows us to set the colors. But what is the current color palette of the report itself? This can be seen by changing to the chart itself. And as you scroll through the elements on here, we can see that the palette is set to Pacific. Now there are a number of built-in palettes on the reports. You can get a complete list of them here, but one of the things that it doesn't allow you to do is to tie the one object to another. So for an example, in this report we can see that we've got the chart and the table, and if I want this pie wedge or this donut wedge which is red currently, to match up with its equivalent status down here, there's no way to link them. So ultimately that's one of the things that we're going to do. But let's look at what this color palette looks like right now. So we're just going to preview this color palette. And we can see that the color palette's there, but the table has no color associated with it. In the next video on blog set, I'm going to show you how to match those two objects together, having that. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this, the chart itself, use your color palette that we created in the previous blog and video set. So let's get to it. So it doesn't really matter which one of these donut wedges you pick, but I'm going to right click on this one. I'm going to pick series properties. This is going to bring up all of the properties, and the one that we want is the fill. So we go to the function associated with the fill. Now under automatic, it will automatically set the colors, but we want to override that. And we want to leverage the code. To do that, we have to go code.getColor. Now I've capitalized this thing mostly just because you can have them all lowercase, you can have it all uppercase. It's case insensitive in that. But what do we want to control this? So all this is being controlled by the field within our data set called status. So I'm going to take status and I'm going to double click it. You'll notice that it fills it in up in the expressions box. And then I'm going to put the closing bracket onto this, and this completes our function in here. So if I go OK to that, and I go OK to that, now when I run this report, it will be using our color palette. So we'll see that both in the chart itself and the index at the top. So let's go do that. Preview. So we can see that the two are there. But as I said, one of the things we want to do is to have both this orange both show up as orange down here. We want the gray config man only to show up down here, and the black, or sorry, the yellow health only to show up down here. And this is where the next video will show you how to tie up. But in this one, as you can see, we're now using our color palette on here. You would adjust this for your color palette and have it so that you can link it all up. Until next time. I'd like to remind you to not only subscribe to this YouTube and to like this video, but to also go off to the Ask Garth website and sign up to the newsletter. This way you can be kept informed of all the latest how-to articles as they go live. Until next time.